Where it's like, oh, is this on? Is this thing on?
You're right.
You should
Wait, but like, is it on?
No bad.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from. Feeling like it's mid-July, under the sun. My jacket don't get no love, no hats and no gloves, not even a chance to rain. But my baby's in town and we're gonna do some winter things. Hi Asher! Hi Asher!
Cookie decorating. What is that?
It's a bow.
What is it?
A bow.
Es un bow. This is my
I might not do it tonight, but I'll probably do it tomorrow.
Und chat.
It's the pig from Minecraft.
Getting really creative out here. Like, Grandma decorated some of these. Right, Grandma?
Yes. Really great.
Oh, we have my centaur. And I also made baby Jesus. And then just in case anybody gets confused, here's his name tag.
Hell, I wanna pretend we're at the North Pole, turning the heat into an ice cold holiday, made just for me and my baby.
Oh!
My shirt and oh, okay.
Hi.
Where are you today?
At Brianna's for Christmas party.
Ooh. And what are you doing at this Christmas party?
Hanging out.
With who?
Caitlin, Brianna,
She can't take one more spell.
Emily, and Alice.
Hello.
Do Secret Santa and also do Most Likely 2 and 2024 Wrapped. Oh. Thank you so much, Chef.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! A Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
You could be a selfish fool, but somehow not be selfish enough. Your glass could be half full, but you've already drank way too much.
What's going on, young people? They can do this, I think.
This is life. This is life.
Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. We're going out for New Year's. We gotta go. Bye.
Plunge! Yay, how excited are you?
Not.
Mom, what's happening?
Crazy polar bear swim. I can't even talk, I'm so cold.
Plunge number 1 done!
We're gonna do it one more time, so you're coming with us.
Everything comes for
Just got our nails did. Ooh, I have blue and green.
They got a new sriracha container too.
Whoa, slow down there. Do you like those bean sprouts?
A few in there.
Yeah.
They're tasty.
Very tasty.
Hi guys! I've just been working a lot. I work at a school right now as a youth care worker, and I'm also a math tutor. I do math, but I also do other subjects as well, but mostly math because math is tough. Right now I'm picking up Nevina because her and I are about to go to a birthday party. Here's my pin collection right now. One side, few pins, and then I'm currently fixing this side because it looks a little whack. She's here! Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just from the sunshine.
Because she's not doing well.
I'll show you guys something. I wonder who that is.
She's actually behind the camera right now. It's right here! Oh my god, Connor, your model. Any plans for
my next one?
That was easy, but then like the arms so like cute.
Yeah, Colleen, say hi.
Yeah. I'm like,
happy birthday.
Yeah.
Modeling for a jewelry company.
What's happening?
On the way.
On the way?
Bro, I didn't say on the way to plunge. I've never done something like this.
It's like cold.
Yeah, and it's cold
Wait,
outside.
did you know that it's gonna be cold?
Guys, I just say, hi, it's really unfocused.
She doesn't care.
Are you ready for your plunge #1 of the year?
This is her first one, guys. She's never ever done one before.
She's never plunged ever.
She's actually never been in water.
Never.
She's allergic. So we made it.
I don't think I'm going in vlog. Happy February, everyone. I feel like it usually snows in January, so this is so different. Look, just a little winter wonderland. The power went out last night, so I cleaned my room with the light of a candle.
Sharing smoke in the stare up of the hot car light. The sunshine hard on the video spot.
And here's my 2025 bingo card. For sure, I know I will finish this one. We'll have to wait and see about the rest. So pretty and colorful. This is so cute.
She's obsessed with penguins, y'all.
Penguin. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
This is only year 2 of doing Valentine's Day together, but we're like saying it as if we've been doing it for 10 years. We're like, another Valentine's Day together. Feels like a long time. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day.
You too.
And we were gonna get sushi, but it was jam freaking packed. And Adele. 10 out of 10. That's a long. It was a long fry. It's a lot. We're kind of in the switch. That was the best drink I've ever had in my life. I literally just turned it on. That was so good, so delicious. We did a fun little activity or whatever. Yeah, not a big deal. That no biggie. We can't share with the world. It was so cute. Like walking in, it looks like a little office or whatever, but then once you get in there, it's like a groovy little spot. But technically this is the end of my vlog, you guys.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is the last day. No, don't go. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I don't know what to say. I'm really nervous. Your face. You have like the biggest smile. I feel like a mom. You're doing great, sweetie. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite month is. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I don't know. See you next week.
Sure as any living dream.
What did you get, Dad? Show the camera.
I got these pretzels.
No.
Oh, good looking here.
Did you hear
hear him? He said Santa looks really good this year. List your roster. My roster? Yeah. What roster?